and pressures, it's time. And pressures, it's time. And pressures, it's time. Time for the third mayhem bird, 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 mayhem. Shut up! Oh my God, I don't care. Shut up! Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks, don't mind me. I'ma just grab my stuff and leave.
Why don't they answer?
Uh-oh, sounds like Bigfoot and Bone Shaker are close. We better burn rubber if we want to get to that checkpoint first.
Smash and roll!
Hello everyone, Braxton Hart here, back again with another Disney Pixar Cars unboxing review. And today, I'm going to be unboxing or reviewing the new 2024 Disney Pixar Cars Glow Racers, Dan Garcia and Ryan Inside Lane. Now, I bought those cars at Target last week, along with a NASCAR car diecast name, which is Zane Smith. Yeah, I just bought this again. I just bought this at Target last week, though.
This bot is programmed for pain. Bam! 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 I love it. The crowd loves it. We all love it.
Hello, motherfucker.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Here's the setup. Whoa! Good night.
I should have listened to you, Bigfoot. Now we're gonna get chopped down by a bunch of cops. Thanks, bud. That means a lot. I've got an idea, but you gotta trust me.
Shut up! Oh my God, I don't care!
Shut up! We're totally gonna win this one. I can almost taste that Champions Cup.
You're not really gonna eat it, are you?
No.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
That's my girl.
Hang tight. I'm gonna go get her. I'm gonna go get her. Hang tight.
He's got a paper trail.
No! No, don't do it!
Adam Smasher. Whoa! Whoa!
You stupid phone! Dang it! No, you're staying, phone. You're staying.
Huh? Great face! Weirdly weird. In trouble. There's a monster under Mayhem Mountain that caused a cave-in.
Next time we're gonna do things our way.
You got that right.
Thank you, Sucks.
Tiger Shark is trapped. Shut up! Oh my God, I don't care!
You did all this for a quarter? Yeah! 4 of those make $1. Are you crazy? A quarter! A quarter! Yeah! 4 quarters make $1! Contest time! How many gummy worms are in this bowl? The person that guesses the correct answer first wins this Nintendo 2DS! Woo! Leave a comment below and let us know your guess! Come over to Jesse Mike Tribe and hit that subscribe button because we wish to see our new video! Turn notifications on! If you want to see our previous video and more videos just like this one, then click on the video links in the description box below!